Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an IUH Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, Morning Shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class Junior 1, and our today's topic is Arabic alphabet with J from Hamza Zer E to Dot Zer D. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 4 and SW number 4. Inshallah, my dear students, today we learn Arabic alphabet with J from Alif Zer E or Hamza Zer E to Dot Zer D. So my dear students, let's start at first look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 15 Arabic alphabet, and my dear students, here is no jobber and J. My dear students, today we learn Arabic alphabet with J from Hamza Zer E to Dot Zer D. So my dear students, let's start at first look at the board. My dear students, you know that this alphabet is called Alif. Now I am giving J over under the Alif, and now we have to pronounce this one Hamza Zer E. Hamza Zer E. My dear students, we have said it before that when Alif takes any jabber J and page, then we have to call this time it is Hamza. So now we have to say this one is Hamza Zer E. Hamza Zer E. Then my dear students, this one is Ba, you know that. Now I am giving J under the Ba, and now we have to pronounce this one is Ba Zer B. Ba Zer B. Then my dear students, this one is Ta, you know that. Ta has two nukta drops. Now we have to pronounce this one, this letter Ta Zer Ti. Ta Zer Ti. Then my dear student, this one is Tha. You know that Tha has 3 drops on nukta. Now I am giving J under the Tha, and you have to pronounce this one is now this time Tha Zer Si. Tha Zer Si, very softly. Now my dear students, you know that this one is Jim. Now I am giving J under the Jim, and now we have to pronounce this one Jim J G. Jim J G. Now my dear student, this one is Ha. You know that this one is Ha. Now I am giving J under the Ha, and you have to pronounce this one Ha Zer Hi. Ha Zer Hi. From the middle of the throat you have to pronounce Ha. Then my dear students, this one is Kha. Kha has a drop. Kha, not Kha, my dear students, Kha. Now I am giving J under the Kha, and you have to pronounce this one Kha Zer Khi. Kha Zer Khi. Then this one is Dal. I am giving J under the Dal, and you have to pronounce this one Dal Zer Di. Dal Zer Di. Then this one is Zal, you know that. Now I am giving J under the Zal, and you have to pronounce now this time Zal Zer Zi. Zal Zer Zi, as like as Tha. You have to pronounce this one Zal Zer Zi as like as Tha Zer Si, very softly. You have to pronounce this two very softly, my dear students. Now my dear students, this one is Ra. I am giving J over under the Ra, and you have to pronounce this one is Ra Zer Ri. Ra Zer Ri. This one is Ra, not Ra. So you have to pronounce this one Ra Zer Ri. Then this one is Za, my dear student. This one is Za. Za has a drop. Now I am giving J under the Za, and you have to pronounce now this time Za Zer Z. Za Zer Z. The sound will be buzzing, my dear students. Za Zer Z. Now this one is Sin, my dear students. You know that this one is Sin. Now I am giving J under the Sin, and you have to pronounce this one Sin J C. Sin J C. Then this one is, my dear students, Sheen. Now I'm giving J under the shin, and you have to pronounce this one now this time. Shin J shi, shin J shi. The sound will be dashing like that. Shin J shi. Then my dear student, this one is sod, sod. Now I'm giving J under the sod, and you have to pronounce this one sod J C, sod J C, sod. Now this one is dod. Now I'm giving J under the dot, and you have to pronounce this one dot J D. Now you have to pronounce this one dot J D, dot J D. Okay, my dear students, we have finished, and now everyone say with me, everyone read with me. Hamza Zer I, Ba Zer Bi, Ta Zer Ti, Tha Zer Thi, Zim Zer Ji, Ha Zer Hi, Ha Zer Hi, Dal Zer Di, Dal Zer Di, Ra Zer Ri, Za Zer Zi, Sin Zer Si, Shin Zer Shi, Sod Zer Si, Dod Zer Di. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned Arabic alphabet with J from Alif to Dot. So my dear students, you will learn this 15 Arabic alphabet with J very carefully at your home, and you will make SW at your home from Hamza Z E to Dot Z D as SW number 4. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.